Most service business owners are not struggling because they are bad at their work. They are struggling because they do not know how to consistently get customers. Here is the truth no one tells you. If you fix your customer flow, your income becomes predictable, almost overnight. In this video, you will learn exactly how to get customers for your service business using simple, proven strategies that work in 2026. You will see how real businesses get leads every day without relying on luck. And stick around, because in a minute, I'll show you the one mistake that quietly kills most service businesses before they even grow. Let's start with the core idea. Getting customers is not about one trick. It is a system. You need three things working together: visibility, trust, and fast response. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people focus only on visibility, like posting on social media or running ads. But they ignore trust and response speed. That is why leads come in but never convert. Let's break it down, step by step. First, visibility. You need to show up where customers are already searching. This means Google Business Profile, local SEO, and simple ads. For example, if Jake is an electrician in Chicago, his Google listing should show up when someone searches, "electrician, near me." This alone can bring daily leads if set up properly. But here's the problem. Visibility without trust does not convert. So second, trust. Customers decide in seconds whether to call you or not. That means you need reviews, photos, and clear service descriptions. A handyman in Miami doubled his calls just by adding before and after photos and 20 real customer reviews. Now here's where most people fail. They get leads, but they reply too slowly. In service businesses, speed wins. So third, response time. If someone messages you and you reply after a few hours, they already booked someone else. That is why fast response systems or simple auto replies can massively increase your bookings. In a minute, I'll show you how combining these three steps creates a steady flow of customers without constant effort. Now let's go deeper into practical methods. One of the easiest ways to get customers is Google Business Profile optimization. Add your services, location, photos, and weekly updates. This helps you rank locally without paying for ads. Another method is local Facebook groups. People constantly ask for plumbers, cleaners, and electricians in their area. If you show up quickly and professionally, you get direct leads without competition from big companies. But here's where it gets even better. Paid ads using Google's Smart Campaigns or Meta ads can bring instant traffic, but only if your profile is ready to convert. Otherwise, you waste money. Now imagine this. A customer searches for a service, finds your business, sees strong reviews, gets an instant reply, and books you in minutes. That is a complete system working together. So, here is the takeaway. Getting customers is not about luck or random marketing. It is about building a simple system that combines visibility, trust, and fast response. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your service business type, and subscribe for more practical strategies that help you get more customers consistently and grow faster in the real world.